In the hidden depths of the forest, this hunter can hear what should be impossible. An owl waits, its wide head angled downward, listening, not looking. A small animal moves nearby, completely unseen, yet already detected. The owl tilts its head slightly, measuring something invisible as sound reaches each ear at different moments, allowing it to sense direction, distance, even depth. It swoops silently from above, striking before the world even knows it's there. The shape of its head funnels sound toward uneven ears. It builds a precise three-dimensional map using sound alone. Some hunters do not rely only on sight, because they can hear what others cannot.